TikTok is one of the platforms that can make you go viral, as quickly as possible. I used to use TikTok every now and then just to watch some funny videos. And, one of the things about TikTok, unlike YouTube, once you're there, you are hooked, you are hooked because this video they play for like 30 seconds or like 1 minute, then somewhere like that. Yeah. But here's the thing about TikTok, right? You don't have to be famous, you don't have to be popular, excuse me, just to make your video go viral. As you can see here, this is my analytics overview, and you can see here I have literally being a member, or Audience Connect. I've created an account for Audience Connect, and literally is being less than 2 months as being a member. And I was like, okay, let me test it out for my, for my affiliate and try to make some short videos on that. And so far, look at this, 4,000 video views. Even on YouTube, as you start, for myself, I didn't get this, as I start, and look at the increase. It's more than 100%. It's crazy, you know. The most important thing for me when I was creating this, it was this profile visit, because that's where I'm gonna put my link. At the end of the day, the goal is to have people to visit my website with the links, not about the videos. For some, they do it for fun, but then for you, if you wanna drive traffic, right? You wanna make sure that you add your link then, and I'm gonna show you where you can put that. But I just wanted to show you the results that TikTok can give you, within less than a month. Imagine if you're posting, unlike me, I don't post on TikTok, every day. Last time I posted, I don't even know when was the last time, But then when I started, I tried to post just minutes I can, because now it required me to cut some of the videos that, I've been doing to cut them, a short to like 1 minute, 30 seconds, something like that. But then, look at this. The love on TikTok is amazing, because the people spend a lot of time on TikTok right now, because the engagement there is crazy, the engagement there is crazy. And I like how, TikTok just, show videos there. You don't have to be popular, you don't have to have a lot of followers on TikTok for people to start, seeing your videos. Look at this. I have over 4,000 video views, but come look at my followers, right? Just view my profile. I have less than 100. Look, less than 100 followers. Look at the likes. The love is amazing. The love is amazing. This was the first video, right? Now, here's the thing, right? When you're creating TikTok videos, I'm gonna give you these tips. Okay, first thing first, add your bio. The bio should direct people to this website that you're gonna be adding in. So let's just say maybe you want to promote, affiliate offer, or you just want people to come to your website, right? Add your website here. If you're doing this from your phone, simply gonna come on settings. Sorry, not on settings. Okay, I did this using my phone. I'm not gonna try and do this here, because I don't use TikTok a lot, but then it drives free traffic to my affiliate links, which is I'm promoting Builderall currently. This one here, it does drive traffic to them. Once you've added your bio, added your link, the most important thing when you add your pictures, TikTok has also got thumbnails. You see this here? Do you like free things? This is what's gonna get people's attention. Write something that is very catchy, right? Your videos are gonna be judged by thumbnails or the headlines that you put there. I wanna show you. See, learn how to make money online. You see, it's got over 500 views, right? Create a professional emails. Not a lot of people on TikTok, they are interested in creating a professional email. How to grow YouTube, so the headline or the thumbnail that you put in here, it is very important, and it is what's gonna drive a lot of people, to watch your videos. You can even make a 30-minute sales pitch on TikTok. And TikTok, you don't have to promote it, you don't even have to follow a lot of people. You see, I'm following only 55 people. Probably, these people that are even following me, they haven't seen my videos, because TikTok is gonna promote your video, the way it is, it's gonna judge it by just, the audio, the thumbnail, and also the originality. So make sure that you take those into account: the audio, the thumbnail, and the originality of your TikTok video. This is one of the best platforms and it's gaining momentum. A lot of people that are signing up on TikTok. I mean, it's gonna be big. The way TikTok is growing, I mean, the rate the TikTok is growing, it scares me. It looks like it's gonna be bigger than one of the social media giants that we currently have. Because it's growing so fast. It's growing so fast. So make sure that you go and use free traffic that TikTok can send to your website. Go and open an account if you haven't opened an account yet. If you have a personal account on TikTok, you don't want to mix your personal things with affiliate or promoting. Create another account. As you can see here, I've opened this one for Audience Connect. Is simply for promoting affiliate offers, and currently I'm promoting one offer here, because you don't want to confuse people. I want people to know, okay, this is about this stuff here. So you want to make sure that you go out there, utilize TikTok, and start driving free traffic to your website or any link that you like to drive traffic to for free. Right, guys, there you have it.